This is the second floor hallway of our Best Western here in Pennsylvania. Of our Bentleyville, Pennsylvania Best Western, which is one of the nicest Best Westerns I've been to. And here they have coin-operated laundry, which I actually really like, and they have change and soap and all that stuff. They have an elevator. They even have the weather forecast put up. That's very nice. I've never seen that actually. They have a swimming pool. Even have paint. Can't really see it, but the swimming pool is in there. This is the breakfast room at night. This is the lounge area. And then this is their amazing wall fountain. This is the Best Western Garden Inn in Bentleyville. This is a night view of the motel. So they have colored lighting, which is really nice. See, here it says Best Western. Okay, here's more night views of the outside of the Best Western, and I love their lights. Here is that amazing wall. This is the business center. They have a computer, 2 terminals, that's nice, a copier, a fax machine, 2 little chairs. And here we are in room 212. This is room 212 at the Bentleyville Best Western. They have a nice light there, nice closet area. There's the thing for put your suitcase on. They have an ironing board, storage, iron. They have a desk and chair, coffee maker, another place to put a suitcase on, microwave, refrigerator that worked good. The TV worked very well in contrast to some other Best Westerns where the reception was fuzzy. The reception was very nice here. This is the room, fairly plain, but no stains on the carpet. I think this is 2 queens. Lighting is uniform design and aesthetically pleasing. And this was just and there's a wall safe. That's an unusual feature. A lot of motels in this price range don't have wall safes. So that's a nice feature. They also put up weather forecasts for 10 days, which I thought was nice. And there are plugs in the lamps, which actually worked. So that was another positive feature. So chair over there, the climate worked well. So all in all, this was a very nice room. I highly recommend the Best Western Garden Inn or I think it's Garden Inn here in Bentleyville. Here's the refrigerator open. And you can see they do have interior doors for people who want to get a suite, and have interior. And this is the bathroom, which is nothing extraordinary, but it's very nice. It's more than adequate. Hair dryer. For one thing, the door hinges are not rusted. That's a nice thing. So everything in here has been in great condition, and the service has been great. So all in all, I'm going to give this place 5 stars. And those things actually worked.